Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily get 3D text animations. And here I've already opened the CapCut apps. And if you want to get a clean 3D moving text, what you need to do is go to text and select the text template. So in here, swipe through the category until you find the 3D option. So in here you'll see a bunch of 3D text template that you can choose. I'm going to use this special 3D text. Click on that, and to change the text, just double click on it and change the text into the one you want. Example like this. Click on the check icon, and you can also adjust the size to fit into your video. And here is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below.